For those who often need to install the same programs on the multiple machines, it can be a tedious and repetitive, repetitive task. To solve this problem, I created a tool called MultiProgramInstaller.exe that allows you to do it all at once. Today, I'll show you how to use it. First, open the text file named installprogram.txt like this, and list the name of the installation file starting from the third line. The first two lines should contain comment and separator. Comment, separator. Here is an example. This is an example. Save the file. And make sure MultiProgramInstaller.exe. Sorry for the Korean. I'm Korean. And next, the program will be installed. And GIMP. This is GIMP. The program will read the file and start installing the listed programs. You can monitor the program access in console windows, and a completion message will appear when all installations are done. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to install softwares on your computer. This tool can handle both .msi and .exe files extensions. Now you can easily install multiple programs at once with MultiProgramInstaller.exe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you.